Hey, welcome to Chinese food. May I take your order?
Yeah. Can I get 3 orders of chicken and 3 orders of white rice?
And then...
Hey, you guys want some soup?
Sure, yeah.
3 orders of wonton soup.
And then...
Oh, some fortune cookies.
And then...
Actually, I think that's about it.
And then...
No, that's it.
And then...
No, that's all I want. I'm done.
And then...
No, all I wanted was the 3 orders of the chicken and 3 orders of the white rice.
Hey, and the soup, dude.
Oh, yeah. And 3 orders of wonton soup.
And then...
And the cookies fortune. Oh, yeah, and the fortune cookies.
And then...
No, and then.
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 And then...
Listen, I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games.
And then...
And then, I'm gonna come in there, I'm gonna put my foot in your butt if you say and then one more time.
And then...